American Express, Chase. You spend your whole life trying to get these cards in your grasp. And when you do, you go to the club, some fine honeys on your shoulders just saying, "Can you pay the bill?" And so you whip out your American Express because you're like, "Yeah, shawty." And then what happens? She just gives you that look like, "So, you rich or something?" Do you have these cards? Are these cards worth it in 2022? What's up, you guys? This is Brandon. This is BZ Investing. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over the 3 best credit cards that you need to have going into 2022. More often than not, you will use the benefits of this card compared to any other card right now in the game. And that is the American Express Gold card. Just look at that baby right there. Ooh, it's sexy, ain't it? That rose metal gold, ooh.
Daddy, chill.
Now, besides the prestigiousness of this card, the sexiness that this card brings to your wallet, you know, every time you use it, people just look at you, the cashier, the bartender, the waitress, they just look at you and they look at the card, they're like, they just can't help but give you a compliment. They just can't help but say, "Oh my gosh, my arm's gonna fall off, it's so heavy. Dang, that's a credit card, that's so cute." I don't know if I heard that before, but you get what I'm saying. Now, if you like eating out, then this card's going to be a beast for you. We're talking 4 times points for using your card at restaurants worldwide, takeout and delivery, 4 times the points at US supermarkets on purchases up to $25,000 per calendar year, 3 times points for flights booked directly with airlines.com or through the Amex website. I mean, that's crazy. Every dollar spent on purchases other than what I just listed, you get 1 point. I mean, it's ridiculous how much value this card gives you for everyday use. Hands down, the best card I have ever had. I have about 9 credit cards in my holdings in my wallet right now, and I can say this is the one card that I use every single day, or every single time that I go out and I need to purchase something, right? That's the number 1 card, hands down. Now, if we want to talk about credits, the American Express Gold card also gives you a $120 Uber credit. Okay, so you just have to hook up your American Express to your Uber account. That way you can earn up to $10 a credit per month in a calendar year, which adds up to $120. And you can use that for Uber Eats, Uber rides, etc. So that's $120 there. You also get $120 in dining credit per calendar year with $10 credit every month for using your cards at restaurants such as Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Boxed, and participating Shake Shack locations. Now, if you add both of those credits up, that equals $240 worth of credits in a calendar year. Why do I bring that up? Because if you have the American Express Gold card, you will have to pay an annual fee of $250. Ugh, yes, it could get expensive. Yes, this seems like a lot of money for a credit card. When there's other credit cards that give everyday use and give you benefits similar to the Gold card, and you don't have to pay an annual fee, so I get it, okay? If we really think about it, the amount of points, the benefits that the Gold card gives you that I just mentioned outweighs the annual fee. Now, the second best credit card to have in your wallet for 2022 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Now, this card is a new addition to my wallet. I love it. I love the mystique about it. It's sexy. Let me just show you guys. Bam! I mean, that's sexy. What makes this credit card number 2 in my list? Well, simply, this credit card is a beast when it comes to travel. Now, why do I bring it up? Because you can earn 5 times the points by using your Chase Sapphire Preferred for travel through the Chase Ultimate Rewards. I mean, that's just a beast of a benefit right there. Plus, on all other travel purchases, such as hotel, airfare, bus fare, you can earn up to 2 times points for those purchases, and then 1 point per every dollar spent after that. You can earn 3 times the points on online grocery purchases, excluding Walmart and Target and other wholesale clubs. Whatever. This is great because using your points towards travel on the Chase Ultimate Rewards, it's 25% more of your points when you use them through travel. So if you have 100,000 points, if you use it towards travel, it is not $1,000 worth. It is actually $1,250 worth of travel points if you redeem it that way, right? So it's an incentive to use it with Chase. These points are more for your buck, and so it's something to think about. You earn 3 times the amount of points when you use it towards dining. You earn 3 times the amount of points on streaming services. Now, what credits does this credit card offer? Well, it offers a $50 annual credit when you use your Chase Sapphire Preferred card for a purchase on hotels through the Chase Total Rewards program. Now, why do I bring this up? Well, because this credit card has an annual fee of $95. It does. I said it. It's not perfect, but is it worth it? You're damn right. All the purchases that you make with this credit card, you can actually turn your rewards points to cash back directly to your bank account. So the more you use your credit card, the more you rack up points, the more you use these benefits, the 4 times, the 5 times, you can rack up your points and pay yourself back. And basically your annual fee of $95 is non-existent. It's a beast in rewards. I highly recommend it. It's one of my new ones, and it's one that is going to stay. All right, so the last credit card to have in the year of 2022 is this one, and that is the Chase Freedom Unlimited. This baby right here. Now, obviously the first 2 credit cards that I mentioned in this video, the American Express Gold Card and the Chase Sapphire Preferred, both have annual fees, but this one has no annual fee. For the most part, no one wants to have a credit card where you have to pay an annual fee. It's like a subscription till you have it, right? It just sounds stupid. Obviously, the past 2 credit cards, I somewhat told you why it's worth it, but this credit card is a beast. For starters, you get 5% back on Chase travel through the Chase Total Rewards program. You get 3% back on dining at restaurants, 3% on drugstore purchases, and 1.5% on all other purchases, right? This is all cash back in the form of points. So it's awesome, right? I mean, it's an everyday type of card, right? Because you get 1.5% cash back, essentially. Also, you can earn 5% back on Lyft rides all the way up to March of 2022. But I would say that Chase Freedom Unlimited is a master of a card. You want to have it in your wallet, and it's just that. And that is the 3 best credit cards to have in your wallet for the year 2022. I'm Brandon, this is BZ Investing, and check out this video if you want to know how to become a millionaire with only $217 a month. Yes, it's real. Peace.